Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to connect your YouTube account to your Roblox account so easily. So let's get started. Now we're gonna open our Roblox. The next thing you need to do is click on more. Now the next thing is your more. The next thing you're gonna do is click on settings, then click on account info, then you scroll down. Scroll down here and see how you can connect all your social network. Click on YouTube here. This is it. Just enter your YouTube. Well, you can see this is youtube.com user.roblox. It's very easy. Just go and copy your YouTube. Then you're gonna copy everything here, and it is very easy. Just paste it here. Once you paste it, it's going to connect very easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. See you in our next video. Just go to your YouTube, copy your profile, then you can just, if you don't know how to copy your profile link on your YouTube, search our video, you'll be able to copy your profile link, paste it here, then click on save. When you're done, you'll be able to save everything successfully. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.